What if I told you there are faceless YouTube and TikTok channels pulling in hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, just by posting animated horror stories like this?
Did you know scientists once revived ancient bacteria from inside a 4-million-year-old crystal? In the Naga mine of Chihuahua, Mexico, researchers discovered giant selenite crystals.
Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. And these creators are making serious money, without going to a company and working 9 to 5, and without ever showing their face. The wild part? Almost nobody's talking about it. I've spent hours digging into this niche, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it works. No fluff, no guru hype, just the step-by-step system these channels are using to blow up and cash in. And here's why you need to pay attention. While everyone else is panicking over YouTube's new monetization rules and saying AI content won't get monetized, smart creators are posting daily and taking over this niche right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. First, I'll walk you through the entire process, from channel setup to script writing, creating voiceover, visuals, and uploading the final product. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your own channel in this fast-growing niche. And don't worry, all the prompts I'm using here will be shared in my Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in the description. All right, let me break down the process for you. Normally, creating a video like this means juggling multiple paid tools. A professional text-to-image generator, about $30 a month. Image to video, another $30. On top of that, you will need a voiceover subscription, another $20. And even then, you still need time, editing skills, and patience to stitch it all together. That is very slow and inefficient. I found an all-in-one AI tool that handles everything that I mentioned in minutes, and it's called Clippie AI. As always, I dropped the link in the description if you want to check it out. This tool is very powerful. It can make videos for a lot of viral niches, like tech stories, would you rather games, Reddit stories, and the format we will be covering today, which is creepy cartoons. Enough talk, let me show you the complete blueprint. The first step is to create a brand new YouTube channel. Pick a name, upload a profile picture, and design a banner. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm names and Canva to create the visuals. Now, here's the thing. Don't overthink the branding. Yes, be creative. Invest time into creating your brand. But the banner, the name, the profile image, those are not the most important parts. The content you produce is what really matters. Next, let's talk about SEO. If you want YouTube to understand your channel from the very beginning, you need to give it some context. Basically, tell it what your channel is about and what kind of videos it should expect. I've already prepared a list of tags that I'll be using on this channel, and you should definitely create your own as well. For this part, I recommend using a tool called VidIQ. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, this is a game changer. I've been using it since day one, and honestly, it makes the process so much easier. With the VidIQ Chrome extension, you can check out popular channels in your niche, see the exact tags they're using, and even look at the tags on individual videos. And that's just scratching the surface of what it can do. You can even run a full analysis of all the tags and pick the ones with the best reach, so your videos get discovered by more people. By the way, I've left a link in the description if you want to try it out. The first month is $1 only. So, with SEO sorted, our YouTube profile is now fully set up. That means we can move on to the exciting part, actually creating content. Here's the simple blueprint for video creation. First, we need to come up with a bunch of ideas. Next, turn those ideas into strong, engaging scripts. Then, just copy and paste the script into Clippie AI. From there, you simply pick what you want, and the AI handles the rest. In just a few seconds, you'll have a fully edited short video, with music, voiceover, captions, and smooth transitions between scenes. It's honestly incredible. It feels like you've outsourced the entire editing process. That means you can stop worrying about the hard stuff and focus on what really matters, coming up with great ideas, strong titles, and thumbnails that grab attention. Now, let's move on to the next step, creating a strong script. And don't worry, this is simpler than it sounds. Most viral videos in this niche succeed because they're built on a solid script. In fact, your script is the single most important factor if you want your video to take off. So here's how to create a perfectly optimized script in just minutes. I've already made 2 prompt templates for you. One will generate brand new story ideas, and the other will turn those ideas into professional scripts. Just grab the prompt from the document. You'll find it linked in my Telegram channel, and paste it into ChatGPT. You can even tell it how many ideas you want, then click Generate. Instantly, you'll have a list to work with. Next comes the script writing. Open a fresh chat, paste in the second prompt I've provided, and that will set ChatGPT up as your scriptwriter. Then, take one of the ideas from the first list, drop it into the new chat, hit enter, and in just a few seconds you'll get a polished, professional quality script. Not only will it explain the topic clearly, it will also hook your viewers and keep them watching all the way through. Pro tip: don't just copy-paste your script straight into Clippie. First, drop it into Google Docs and give it a quick human touch-up. Read it out loud, adjust any lines that sound robotic, and add little phrases or expressions that make it feel like something a real person would say. This extra step makes a huge difference. It takes your script from AI-generated to natural, engaging storytelling that actually hooks your viewers. Now let's head back to Clippie AI. First, we need to click on AI Story Video. The first step we need to do is to enter our script. Now, we can always use Clippie's scriptwriter, but we've already got something better, our ChatGPT script. Just copy, paste, and step 1 is done. Scroll down to the Style section. You'll see options like dark cartoon, anime, cinematic, ultra realism, and comic book. Pretty cool, right? For this niche, go with dark cartoon. Next is the voice section. The voices here sound super natural, and they are very high quality. For this demo, I'm using the voice called Nox Dark. You can tweak settings like stability and similarity, but for now, let's leave them as is. Now it's time to generate visuals. Just click Generate Scenes and wait about 5 minutes. No manual prompting, no scene-by-scene editing. The AI handles everything for you. When it's done, every scene will already have visuals. Most of the time, they'll look smooth, consistent, and clear. If one doesn't fit, no problem. Just upload a new image or type a quick prompt and regenerate it. Super simple. Next up is background music. Just click the option, scroll through the library, or upload your own track. Make sure the music matches the emotion of your video. It's one of the most important parts after the script if you want your video to go viral. Drop the volume down to about 20 to 22% so the voiceover stands out clearly. Finally, we need to choose transitions. We've got two choices, dramatic or smooth. For this example, smooth works best. We can also add particles or sound effects, but let's keep it clean and skip particles this time. Then open captions. You'll find a variety of pre-made styles. Switching between them is just one click. And that's it. The video's ready. Just click export, name your project, and hit render. Here's what we managed to create.
Did you know there's a hotel room that literally vanished from history? In 1979, a French couple checked into a hotel that felt different. The wallpaper, the furniture, even the staff, it all looked like the 1800s. The strangest part, when they paid with new modern money, the staff looked very confused, but still accepted it. Days later, the couple went back to take more photos, but the hotel was gone, not closed, not abandoned, completely vanished, replaced by an empty lot. Even creepier, their photos came back blank, as if the place never existed. To this day, no records of that hotel have ever been found. So what did they step into? A ghostly past or a glitch in time itself?
Pretty insane, right? The quality, the matching B-roll, perfectly synced captions, everything is on point. Last step is to upload the final product. Add your title. With VidIQ, you can get title recommendations and their SEO scores, which is very powerful. Just type out a title that you have in mind. Click on this refresh button, and VidIQ will automatically give you recommendations based on your input. Pick one, and that will be your title. Then generate hashtags using ChatGPT. Just paste your script in a new chat, ask for SEO-friendly hashtags, and copy the first 3 or 4. Go back to YouTube Studio, paste them next to your title, set not for kids, confirm no altered content, check copyright, and hit publish. And that's it. You have just learned the full blueprint. Now you know exactly how these faceless horror channels are blowing up, and how you can start one today. The only question is, are you actually going to do it, or are you going to watch everyone else cash in? If you're serious, Grab the prompts and resources I shared. The link's waiting for you in the description. And listen, this is just the beginning. I'm dropping even more step-by-step strategies on this channel, so hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and remember, your first viral video could be one upload away. Let's make it happen.